If you are watching this video, you're probably one of the people to whom the PlayStation 5 has been crashing recently, while in the playroom or while even playing Godfall or Spiderman. The screen suddenly seems to freeze, and then the console crashes, and then sometimes it doesn't turn back on. Well, in this video, I'm here to let you know that you are not the only person who is experiencing these issues in the early release of the PlayStation 5, and I'm gonna try to bring to you a potential solution that might help you fix this issue, or at least temporarily. An issue has been confirmed saying that when you put your PlayStation 5 on rest mode while running a game, you are likely to get crashes afterwards when you turn your PlayStation 5 back on. And Jeff Gretzman said, "Seems like putting a PlayStation 5 into rest mode while Spider-Man Remastered is running crashes the whole system, forcing that repair your external drive process when you start back up. At least that's how it's been for me a few times I've done that today." And the fix to this problem seems to be rebuilding the PlayStation 5 database. And in order to do that, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is completely shut down your PlayStation 5, not in rest mode, but completely shut down, and then go ahead and hold the power button until you hear a few beeps for a few seconds. And once you do so, your PlayStation 5 will enter in safe mode. Choose from here the option Rebuild Database, and then rebuild the database and try to play on your PlayStation again. When you turn your PlayStation back on, go back to the settings, and then while playing games, you have to choose the option don't put PlayStation 5 in rest mode while playing a game, and this will prevent you from having crashes further on. Now, if this didn't fix your problem, and for some people the PlayStation 5 is completely not turning back on, what you need to do is to contact Sony or contact the game shop from which you bought the PlayStation 5 and then report their issue so that you can return your PlayStation, because this crash sometimes causes the PlayStation 5 to become bricked and it will refuse to turn on or to function normally again. And it's a bit normal with the early release of every new console. So what you will need to do is to apply for a return on PlayStation 5 if you bought it from their website, and then send them back the PlayStation 5 so they will provide you with a replacement for your system, or contact the shop that you bought the PlayStation from and see what you can arrange with them. And I'm gonna leave on the screen some information that might help you figure out a way to contact Sony and PlayStation. And this has been it. If you are still facing this issue until now and restarting your console, rebuilding database, turning off rest mode, or anything else related did not work for you and your PlayStation is still stuck, it's very hard and annoying having to return the PlayStation 5, but it's the only choice that you have for now, or you can just wait it out a bit unless it's an extreme case. I'm gonna come back to you with another video and an update soon, but until then I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Peace.